Korea's Coast Guard has again clashed with Chinese boats attempting to fish illegally in Korean waters. The Ministry of Public Safety and Security says the Incheon Coast Guard was deployed at around 11 a.m. this morning to disperse more than 30 boats that were poaching in West Sea waters some 70 kilometers off the coast, and they were big boats as well. After ignoring radio calls for them to leave and heading towards the Coast Guard in an aggressive manner, the Coast Guard fired machine gun rounds into the air to scare the boats off. The Coast Guard is permitted to do that under new regulations. Now, no one was thought to be hurt, but the condition of the Chinese boats hasn't been confirmed. The Coast Guard announced in October that it would pursue a more aggressive firearms policy with Chinese trawlers. Disputes over illegal fishing have affected relations between Seoul and Beijing for years now, and there have been numerous, often violent clashes between the Korean Coast Guard and Chinese crew members.